Hello, everybody, and welcome to second video of this channel. Want to thank you for spending time and coming to watch these videos. This video is going to be just an overview of what Maya is. If you didn't watch my introductory video, I'll link it down below. I'll link it at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and watch that and see what this channel is going to be about. We're moving slow. We are teaching beginners or people that want to get into the 3D industry and have no experience at all. We are offering these free class videos, and today we're just going to talk about Maya, a very simple overview about what Maya is. And on the next video, we'll get into the modeling tools. We'll start getting into what the tools do, where you find them, how you can use them. So again, these videos are for somebody has never opened Maya, or doesn't have any experience, or has opened Maya but is completely lost, don't know what to do with it. Let's get to it. All right. So what is Maya? So I'm gonna tell you something. So I've been using Maya since 2008, so for a little while now. My first instructor in my first class told us to close our eyes. We all closed our eyes, and he said, focus on that emptiness, on that dark space. That is Maya. That space is yours to create anything you want. And as cheesy as that might sound, it changed my life. I fell in love with Maya, and I hope you do too. It's a limitless software and opportunities for you to create anything you want. So so what is Maya? Maya is a production software that is used in the film industry, in the game industry, advertisement, architecture, product design. Of course, there's other tools that are used on all of these industries. Maya is not the only one, but Maya is an industry standard tool. So even though it has been around since, it was bought by Autodesk in 1998 was the release of Maya 1.0. So the project Maya was created before Autodesk bought it, but it's been around. The first the first version of Maya came out in 1998. So even though it's an old, for some standards you can think it's an old software, it's still used as an industry standard software. Many studios use it to create various projects, and it's because Maya has been able to keep up with the demands and offer new tools, offer innovative ways to create things, and as much as it's not perfect, it's great. It's a great software, and even with big studios that create their own software, they base that software most likely on Maya. So that's what Maya is, right? You can work on those industries, like I mentioned. What can you do in Maya, right? You can create 3D models. You can create UVs. You can create shaders. You can light. You can render. You can animate, and you can create dynamics, or also known as VFX. Like I said, this video is just very quick, and what Maya is, it is not for you to get too worried about, the tools and what they do. It's basically just telling you what Maya is and what you can do in it. So you may think that this is a lot for one software to do, and it is. The best things that Maya do, honestly, is create 3D models. A lot of people will use Maya to create hard surface models, to create environments. Not much to create characters. Can you do it? Yes. Do I recommend it? No. If you want to create characters, ZBrush is your friend. I'll put a link down below for that too. We'll get into what UVs are. We'll get into what shaders are, because texturing can be done on a third party like Substance Painter. I would recommend doing that instead of trying to create your textures in Maya, because you are limited in Maya what you can do. So it's always better to go somewhere else, to go to another software and bring those textures into Maya and use those shaders. We'll get into more details when we get into the shader module of this course. Then another thing that Maya shines on is lighting and rendering. It comes equipped with Arnold lighting rendering engine, which offers its own lighting, its own lights, and many jobs will ask for you to have Arnold experience at the very least if you're lighter. So you have your rendering tools. You can animate. That's another place where Maya shines. I'm not an animator. I'm just showing you a model that I got for free and CG Traders. I'll show you right now, and I'll put the link down below. And again, I'm not an animator, so I'm not going to be animating anything. I just wanted to show you the model. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention that you can do is create rigs. And rigs are basically creating in simple terms, creating a skeleton underneath a 3D model to then set up for the animators to animate, right? So you can see on this model, it has already been created. You see the joints, you see the skeleton. The skeletons are, and outside that, you have controllers, right? You don't animate the skeleton itself, you animate the controllers that are parent to the joints, if that makes sense. And so yeah, and last but not least, I'm not a VFX artist, I'm not a dynamics artist, but you can do things like rain, water, fluids, fire, earthquakes, right? Things breaking down, tornadoes, stuff like that. If that's something that you want to do eventually. There are a lot of things on YouTube that you can watch, but also you want to invest in a good machine. It takes a lot of power to bring those to life. So thank you for stopping by. Like I said, Maya, it's industry standard software. You can do anything from film, game, architecture, product design, advertisement. It's been around since 1998. You can create 3D models, you can create UVs, shaders, lighting, rendering, rigs, animation and dynamics, VFX, and it's the major two industries that use Maya, VFX, right, film, and game industry. So like I said, don't worry about trying to figure out how to do this. In the next video, we're gonna start creating models. We're gonna start going through our 3D model tools, what things do, how do they work, where to find these tools, how to make it more accessible, how to make your workflow a little easier. We'll model something really simple for you to try things out. Because in Maya you can model the most simple model object to the most complicated scenes. It's a very powerful tool. Please, if you somebody who wants to learn, somebody who can handle, can keep can hear my rambling and sometimes my I go into tangents and stuff like that. Go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, like the video, tell other people. All that helps. Like I said, it'll be a weekly drop, so I'll be dropping videos weekly, and hopefully as I move forward with this channel, I can do more, so the classes are actually closer together, so not so spread out. But this is just the second video. Next week I'll be dropping the video of the Maya modeling tools, an overview of how to use them, and yeah, I hope to see you there. Take care and have great holidays if you celebrate these holidays coming up. Stay safe, have fun. However you have fun, just have fun, just chill, whatever you want. Take care, everybody. Bye.